In this problem, we're going to use conversion factors to calculate the cost of a project. So let's suppose we want to dress up, update our living room by adding some crown molding. We have taken our measurements all around the room and calculated 70 feet total. Visiting the local hardware store, we find that they sell 6 foot long by 3 inch wide pieces of crown molding for $8.99. Based on that, we should be able to calculate how much we will spend on this project. Okay, so first thing is the 70 feet is all the way around the room, so measuring all the length and width of the room. So let's take a look at just one wall. Okay, I know these aren't fancy pictures, but it should help you get an idea. So looking at this one wall, I have the length of the wall, which is what I've measured. If I put the crown molding up, it's going up here at the top. There's 6 foot long sections that go across the top. The 3 inch wide just tells me how far down it comes on the wall. They sell it in different sizes. They'll sell 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch, 5 inch if you have big walls. So that part is really kind of just the style. The part that's really important is the length of it. So if our wall were 12 feet long, then we would lay 2 pieces of our crown molding side by side, and it would cover the wall. So the real thing that matters here is the length of the crown molding, not the width at all. That's just describing the style. So how are we going to calculate this? The total amount needed for 70 feet is going to be 70 feet times one piece is 6 foot long times $8.99 for one piece. So the feet cancel, the pieces cancel, and our final answer will be in dollars, and in this case, it should be $104.88. Let me know if you have questions.